will your website react when more than 1,000 users come at a time?
Right.
Give me one pattern to print, like A-shaped pattern, no A,
Hmm.
capital A-shaped pattern.
Right.
So I just had to print, write a code that take an input like size of the A, like if I enter 10, so 10 lines, A would be printed. So he gave me 10-minute constraint that you have to write code of this in 10
चैनल को
minutes.
सब्सक्राइब करो पहले। हाँ जल्दी करो, मुझे पता है कि आप लोग नहीं करते हो, वीडियो देखते हो लेकिन सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते।
So hello everyone, welcome back again, and this is episode 12, and today I am having Sam Kotadia. He is selected for the internship role at Apple. No need to introduction, right? So hi Sam, congratulations, how are you?
Thank you, Arvind. So I'm fine.
Okay, so before starting this interview experience, please can you briefly introduce yourself so we can move ahead?
So myself is Kotadia. I come from Gujarat and I'm a final year student from electronics. And I have secured my 6-month internship at Apple. And talking about it, like I'm also a development.
राइट सो सेम कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था एप्पल, मतलब प्लेसमेंट सीजन में बैठने से लेके एप्पल में सेलेक्ट होने तक?
क्रेजी था लाइक मेरे को बहुत सारे रिजेक्शंस मिले, लाइक मुझे तो पता ही होगा प्लेसमेंट पढ़ने के लिए, लाइक आई हैव बीन interviewed like 6 different companies before that. So after so much rejection, getting that is a big thing for me. और talking about experiences, like करते रहना चाहिए, like हार नहीं मानना,
राइट
क्योंकि at the end, like मैं कैसे कैसे कंपनियों में ऐसे इंटरव्यू छूटे हैं मेरे, like ZS था मेरा छूटा था, BlackRock में नहीं हुआ, Oracle, first was but बहुत सारी कंपनीज में मुझे रिजेक्शंस हुए हैं, लास्ट में जाकर हुआ है.
आई थिंक दैट्स लाइफ. लाइक सेम, लेट्स स्टार्ट अबाउट द एप्पल हायरिंग प्रोसीजर, राइट? सो पहले तुम थोड़ा सा हायरिंग प्रोसीजर के बारे में बता दो, लाइक व्हेन एप्पल विजिटेड एंड काइंड ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस एंड राउंड्स एंड देयर मोड आल्सो, लाइक ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन.
Okay, so more purely online, like first OA was there, and after 10 to 15 days of OA, first round of interview was there, and after the second round, all three things were online only on the platform called CoderPad.
राइट
CoderPad का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसपे कोई भी हो जाते हैं, और इंटरव्यू भी अगर हम ले रहे हैं तो वो भी हो जाता है. पूरी प्रोसेस ऑनलाइन थी, हमने ऑफलाइन विजिट नहीं किया. लाइक ये पूरा बूट कैंपस प्रोसेस था, और the role Apple was hiring for ISNTT at Hyderabad.
right. Okay, so can you tell little about this role, because I think it is a unique name.
Like nothing is unique. It is basically a software development only, SDE at ISNTT.
Okay.
The team name is ISNTT, and the role is SDE only.
Okay.
Talking about the locations, you know that.
Hyderabad, right?
Right.
Right. So now let's start from the round one, right? It was online assessment. So what kind of the question you faced in online assessment? Please let us know.
Only questions for the DS is, and 10, I guess 10 was there. 10 CS4 subject, CS4 questions were there. Talking about 2 DS questions, and it is like been 4 months after the interview. So I don't remember the exact DS question, but I'll tell the topics. Like one question was based on implementation, like the basic DSA implementation, and the second question was based on graph. I think it was similar in PFS only.
Okay.
And the rest 10 CS4 subject was from everywhere, like CN was asked, DCMS was asked, everything was asked at 10 questions. And talking about how to clear the rounds, like I had completed the OA, 1 hour OA, 1 hour 20 minutes OA in 35 minutes.
Right.
So the people who completed the OA in 30 to 35 minutes were on the street.
Okay. And what was the time for the test?
Like I told, 1 hour 20.
Okay, 1 hour. Okay, sorry. Then you went to the technical round, right? After clearing online assessment. Okay.
So both the rounds were technical for me. For the other person like Ritik Kumar, the another person selected for Apple, he was having different experience. The interviewer asked him the HR question in the second round, but for me both the rounds were
Right.
based on technical.
Right. Okay, so
So talking about round one, like started with a brief introduction. First the interviewer told me to chill up a little. He asked me about what you do, which cricket team is your favorite, like in IPL, and like after that they started with the DSA questions. The first DSA question asked to me was, uh, you were given an array and you have to find the maximum frequency array that first question you just have to use the IQ and solve it. And after the question was to check if the parenthesis is valid or not. Like
okay.
you are given bracket.
Valid parenthesis, right?
Check the parenthesis. Second question that was that, and after the two DSA question, he was like happy because I solved the questions very fast and smoothly in the idea of my memory. So after that, he asked some resume based questions. So my resume is having my resume is having one project, resume builder, which is the resume builder of SBI Institution, like we use it for decision. So he asked me the question based on the like how will you optimize the project, like what were the questions like written it, I have written it somewhere. Yes, the questions were like that. What is the purpose of your resume builder? How will your website react when more than 1,000 users come at a time?
Right.
What will you do if your resume website gets famous across the whole India? And how will you optimize? So you just have to use CDN and all that.
Okay.
And he asked me to write one query to fetch something like how have you managed some state in the project, and everything was there based on resume. Like on that particular project, he liked my resume builder very much because it was a real life project and it was like round two was taken by 25 years, one person with 25 years experience in Apple. So that was a really good round.
Right.
So it began with one yes, no, it began with my experience at the one intern I mentioned in my resume. It was a software developer intern. So he asked me some techno managerial question like what was the team of how you maintain the team, and if one person was not working in your team, how will you manage it? And the questions based on HR only, like the managerial question, how will you manage some things.
Right.
So after all that, he came to one question. He has a question. Like the question was there. something on SQL. He says that if you have mentioned some project about SQL in your resume, so the interviewer may ask you that, right? The query, SQL query of how you mentioned this thing.
Okay.
So you should just know the basic of how the SQL works. You have to rate that. The knowledge of SQL should be like 10 out of 10, 7 should be there.
For
You should know the basic
for
SQL.
Apple, वो कोई दूसरी मेथड लगा रहे हो, कुछ ऐसा तुम्हारे पास एडवाइस हो तुम शेयर करना चाहते हो कि हाँ इस तरीके से हम ओए क्लियर कर सकते हैं?